In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance photo quality on Google Photos. Many of us use Google Photos to store and share our precious moments. However, sometimes a photo might need a little touch-up to truly shine. Let's explore how you can use Google Photos to enhance your images, making them look their best. First, let's start with the quickest method called Enhance or Autofix. This is perfect if you're looking for a fast way to improve your photos. Begin by opening the Google Photos app on your device. Once it's open, select the photo you want to enhance. Next, tap on the Edit icon, which looks like a set of sliders. From there, you'll want to find the option labeled Enhance or sometimes Auto. Tap this option, and Google Photos will automatically adjust key aspects of your image. It will tweak brightness, contrast, sharpness, and color. This step is perfect for quick improvement with just one tap. Once the adjustments are made, make sure to tap Save. This ensures that all the changes are saved to your photo. Now, if you're looking for more control over the editing process, manual editing is the way to go. It allows you to fine-tune your photo to achieve higher quality results. Start by opening the photo you wish to edit and tap on Edit. Here, you'll have several sliders to adjust different elements of your image. Begin with the brightness slider to fix any dark images, moving it up to bring more light into your photo. Next up, adjust the contrast slider. Increasing contrast adds depth to your image, making it pop. Then move on to the sharpen slider to enhance the detail in your photo, which is particularly useful for making it appear more high definition. Following that, decrease the highlights to fix any washed out areas. This helps restore details lost in overly bright sections. Finally, increase saturation to bring out better colors in your photo. This manual method often produces the best HD-looking results. Remember to tap Save after making these adjustments to preserve your edits. At this point, it's important to note a few things about Google Photos. While it does a great job at enhancing aspects like clarity, sharpness, and lighting, it cannot truly increase the original resolution of a photo. This means that while your image will look improved, it won't have a higher resolution than it started with. Additionally, not all AI editing features are available on every phone, so the options you see might vary. Lastly, when using AI tools, always tap Save Copy. This will keep the original photo intact while saving the edited version separately. With that ready, you've learned two effective methods to enhance your photos using Google Photos. Whether you choose the quick auto enhance or the more detailed manual editing, these techniques will help your images look fantastic. Remember, each image is unique, so feel free to experiment with the sliders to see what works best for your specific photo. Enjoy making your memories even more beautiful with these tools.